welcome back here to the channel Polygon Trading. Today we're gonna talk about a new strategy that I have built only for you guys. It's a strategy that I will be sharing that on my Telegram channel, and we will receive free signals from me, and I'm gonna prove you that the signal that I'm sending to you is already fantastic. Do nobody does what I'm about to do with you, right, guys? So first of all, let's introduce to the strategy, the portfolio. I created a portfolio that has five strategies. All strategies are in on gold for sure, and so we are talking about an edge strategy. So you have to make sure that your broker allows you to open edge positions. And first of all, let's go to the strategy tester already. Let's do it live here with you. Here, guys, this is actually the portfolio that we're gonna test. And here we're gonna be on gold 1 hour time frame, and we're gonna start it from uh, January 1st of 2016. And yeah, the leverage gonna be 1 to 30, and yeah, pretty much that. So the only thing that we're gonna see here, the lot entry, we're gonna put one in the in 100,000. Okay, so 100K account. Okay, let's run it and see the results. This is the graph right here. I'm gonna stretch it like this, so we're gonna see everything live. Actually, those trade up here, they are running in this moment in the my MT4, and the signals have been sent to to the Telegram group. So guys, make sure to check it. The link below, the description here. Let's see. All right, it started. Remember, guys, the blue line actually is the balance line, and the green one is the equity line. We can see what here. Uh, let's see what we're gonna do. We start with a 100K account. Actually, the equity is about 100, almost 50K already. So we are up actually from here 50% profit. And we are running right here in June, something like that, June 2017. It's still running. Let's see what's gonna come out from this strategy. I thought you is based off actually five specifics entry and exit rules. There are five. From these five, two of those strategy I should say similar. The entry at least is similar, and the exit are completely different. I wanted to run both because the exit is different, so they provide actually different results. Okay, different results. So they works exactly like two completely different set of entry, right? So guys, how you can see right here, the equity is pretty much beautiful. We actually like it. And I want to say something really important because many people do not pay attention many times. It's about the drawdown period. Look right here, we arrive up to almost, I should say, 190K, right? And we have been in a drawdown till something like the drawdown here was in I should say July 2018, and we come out the drawdown in what is the date right here? Let's see. You see, in almost, I should say, 1 year. Okay, guys, in 1 year we have been in drawdown. So as for somebody trading this strategy live, you're gonna say maybe the strategy doesn't work because he's not seeing no profit. But in 1 year, it should be worth it. Uh, Wait 1 year in drawdown, just resist, and then after that, I should say, is break down up here. It comes down again. So again, from here we are in June 2019, and here we come out the drawdown period in March 2020. So there are period that in trading we have to suffer, guys. But the most important thing is know actually that the strategy have been working in the past actually, and from this period we're gonna see that the strategy going up, 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 and up. Of course, I have always this question, no, guys. If the chart that we are about to analyze, like gold, Euro USD, actually those chart, they are not straight up, they are not like lines ray going up like crazy. You go up, you go down, you go down, then pull back, then the pull back, the push. So with the equity curve of those kind of patterns, right, are like that, why should my equity curve should not be similar? You know, do you get the point? So it's normal to be in the grow down, but if you already know that with data, that's what gonna come out long run is gonna be profitable, why you should be doubting? Okay, guys. So this is actually the question that you have to make by yourself. Actually, with this strategy, I'm gonna be uh what I'm really looking for is actually the last 5 years. Okay, it's finished. It's the last 5 years, but the years after COVID. Why I'm saying that, because I believe that the market somehow change some characters. So the last 5 years for my backtesting for me is pretty much okay. But I wanted to go back for like 4 more years just to, kind of extra check. So actually it closed right here almost at 600K. Let's see the backtest result. What you can see that the quality of the data, 84%, that is pretty good. Actually, it's acceptable. And the initial balance, you're gonna see up here, look the profit right here. We are talking about um 500K, 500K, so 500% right here. And the max drawdown is about 22%, guys. So when we are taking the senior this strategy, you have to understand that you can face drawdown. Okay, the one that join in the push or in the rally phase, they're gonna be more okay. How to say? They're gonna upset better, maybe the drawdown phase. But of course, if you start when we are drawing down, you have to know that we can go down. At least in the past, we have been down. Uh, with the bottom of 22% from the peak, right? And this is the equity. The profit factor here is pretty good. And the win rate, guys, the win rate is something really, really important right here, 46%, 46% almost. So most of the time we are about to lose, but when we make money, you cover of course, our losses. The winning streak right here, you have consecutive profit. How much is that? 5. They say here 14 consecutive win. This is consecutive win 14 right here, and losses 13 down here. Here we have other bars, and here some profit. Right here you can see, actually I want to point out this minimal position holding is the time that a single trade can last, right? I believe that most of the trade, I should say, 70%, maybe a little bit less, takes 2 days to actually close. So the most of them we have between 1 and 2 days, and I should say almost the 90% of the trade closes in 5 days, into 5 days, right? Right. So now, guys, you have the overview of the strategy that I will be sharing in the Telegram group. Make sure to subscribe to that Telegram channel, and I will be updating every single thing. So you have the entry, you have the exit, and make sure to connect there. It's completely free, and subscribe to the channel to help me build this channel actually. And the goal is help many people as possible to get funded, and maybe to automate their trade, and actually enjoy life, enjoy their family like me. Rest of that I can enjoy more my daughter and my family. So that is the goal mainly. And guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, to the Telegram group. And the next video we're gonna break down each one of the 5 strategy that included in this portfolio. So guys, make sure and see you next video. Ciao.